Okay, episode number 5 of the Work From Home Antidote series. This one is going to give you a little bit more energy. Now again, these exercises, much like the other videos, are not a substitute for getting off your backside, moving around, getting outside into the fresh air, etc., etc. But they are really good exercises to crowbar regularly throughout your day. So put a reminder into your phone to watch these on repeat, keep watching them, remind yourself to do it, mix all the videos up so you're doing all of these exercises, and you should help to prevent some of the nasty conditions that people are suffering from being sat down too much and being sucked into that computer. So this one is going to make you feel rather good. Now it's a breathing exercise, and it does mean that when you inhale, I want your stomach to protrude, to distend, and I want when you inhale, I want your stomach to relax, and that will cause the exhale. So this is going to be very short, sharp breathing for about probably 15-20 rounds, followed by an exhale all the way and breath hold, retention, followed by an inhale and breath hold. This is very quick. Brilliant thing to do. Let's say you've got another meeting coming up on Zoom and you're feeling a little bit jaded. This is the perfect exercise to do just prior to that. It takes a couple of minutes, you'll get it done, and you're going to feel much better, and you'll be able to open up that video saying hello to everybody in an energized, energetic, enthusiastic fashion. So here we go. Inhale all the way using your stomach to breathe in. So as the stomach protrudes, the stomach goes out, you breathe in. When you exhale, the stomach relaxes and goes back in. But remember, these are short, sharp inhale, exhale, so they're literally like that. Here we go. 15 to 20 of these, followed by exhale, breath hold. Follow along with me. Are you ready? Let's go. Pretty good, isn't it? You should feel a little bit more alive, awake, and ready for that next session. Remember, these are not a substitute. Do get off your backside, do get outside, move around. I'll show you some more exercises coming up in future videos, stuff that you can do literally just by stepping away from your desk, dropping to the floor, doing some quick, short exercises. I hope they help. Again, keep coming back, watching these videos, put them on repeat, set yourself a reminder on your phone, mix up all of these videos so you're doing different ones each time, or download the free Chrome extension Chair Guru, which will prompt you to do it. Either way, I hope you stay safe, fit, well, happy. Evolution of Dave signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.